If you've seen my previous chickpeas video, we grew all these chickpea plants from seeds, and when they were 4 or 5 inches tall, we transplanted them here. And it's been a couple of weeks, and they are already growing much better. They are taller and they are pretty healthy. Few more weeks have passed, and as you can see, that these plants are scorched.
Now, there's enough moisture in the soil, but they are just drying up. I think it's just too hot for them here because this planter gets a lot of south facing sun. So, but on the other side, where they don't get too much sun, they are doing okay. So, this is something that you have to remember, that this is a cooler weather plant. So, I was late in planting this. I should have planted it earlier, but the good thing is that I had planted at a few places and I know now. So in this weather, this much sun is too much for it.
So there are a few other places where we planted these chickpea plants, and these are doing fine. And now I see some flowers also, these tiny uh, pinkish flowers. So these plants don't get as much sun, and they are fine. Here is another place, and here also you can see, pinkish flowers here. And by the way, these leaves are edible. And as a child, as a kid, we used to eat them up, and they're kind of tangy. So it was fun to eat them.
So this chickpea plant is doing well. You can see tiny uh, flowers here, and also you can see small chickpeas forming here. So this is what I was talking about. They have to grow a little bit big, but they have the chickpeas inside. So this is like a pod in which they have chickpeas. Now I don't remember if there are multiple chickpeas or just one, but these are so yummy. Um, so that's what I grow these chickpeas for, not to harvest the chickpeas and dry them up. No, just eat them fresh. So waiting for these to grow a little bit more. So if you look at these, each branch has these seed pods where the gram or the chickpeas are growing. So they start to mature from the bottom, and I touch this and it feels pretty solid. That means the chickpea has grown inside it. So let me just open it. Look at this. And this is fresh and tender, and you can just eat it like that. Yep, it's pretty good. Exactly what I was hoping for. This one is not yet that big, so this one is small. Sometimes you get two seeds in one pod. And if you leave them on the bush, they'll dry up, and that's what makes the chickpeas. So as I'm peeling them, I'm eating them also, and they're really good. So this is what I grew these for. So obviously you can see that my plants didn't grow very big because probably the season was not right. Chickpeas are a cool weather plant, so either you should grow it in fall, and if it doesn't get very cold where you live, and then maybe harvest it in February or March, or grow it, say, in February, uh, and then harvest it in maybe April or May. And right now it is June, so it is, the weather is hot, so it's not that great for these chickpeas, but still you can see that they grew. So I'm going to try this again in the fall, and let's see if these plants, they grow better and become bushier, because normally they grow pretty bushy, they become very bushy, and they have lot many branches, and each branch has lot many seed pods. So at least we learned, what not to do. I love eating these young chickpeas, and it did work. I have to just now figure out the right season. So now most of these um, chickpea pods are big enough, and they are kind of solid, so that means the seed has, or the chickpea has grown enough. So now I have removed them from the ground.
So at this point, you can actually barbecue these. So you can just take the whole branch and barbecue it, and then those roasted chickpeas are so good. You must try it.
So I hope this video was informative to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.